Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the AliExpress application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So AliExpress is one of the most well-known shopping site. It has many options for purchasing different products, and you can basically find anything from phone cases to different kitchen accessories and home decors. So there's a variety of option for everyone who wants to just find some useful things. In the category section, you will be able to find every category available in this site, as well as the top selling products. At the home section, you have the possibility to explore. You will find the best deals that are available in the site. There's also a feed option where you can see how different products work by customers. In the cart section, of course, you will be able to see the products that are currently waiting for to be purchased. And there's of course the account section where you will find your own personal details. You can find the services section here with the help center and the Q&A. So overall, it's a very good and useful site if you want to purchase anything basically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.